Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the contrast on a Vtech corded phone. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a Vtech corded phone, and on the screen right here, you can adjust this contrast. It's really easy to do, okay? So I'll tell you and show you exactly how to do it. So basically, we want to get to the menu that has the contrast option. So you can see there are buttons over here at the top, and there's one that says menu select, okay? I want you to pay attention to that. There's a menu select option over here. That's one of the buttons. There's also an up arrow and a down arrow, okay? And a cancel button. I want you to understand those buttons. I want you to know that they're there because I'm going to be using them as I talk about them. So what you want to do is you want to get to the contrast menu. To do that, you're going to hit menu select. When you hit menu select, you're going to go into the menu and you're going to basically go through the menu options. So we're going to hit menu select once. Okay, right now we're sort of, it says in use / no line because there's nothing connected to it. So right now we're just at the main screen. We're going to hit menu select once, okay? And as you can see, it says date / time. So it wants us to set the date and time, but we don't want to do that. We're going to menu select again. And now it says contrast. We are now on the contrast screen. So when we're on the contrast screen, we can go up or down to adjust the contrast. Down, in this case, is going to go to a lower number. It's going to make it lighter, okay? And up is going to go to a higher number. It's going to make it darker. So I can go down to like a level 2, which is going to be pretty light, or I can go all the way up to like a level 4, which is going to be much darker, as you can see. And you can go through and you can choose whichever one you want. I like this one at a 4, okay? So we brought it to a 4, which is really dark. Now to save it and move on, all you got to do is hit menu select again, okay? And then we went to the next option, language. We can hit it again, home area code, and so on and so forth. I'm going to cancel to get out of the menu, okay? And we've now set the contrast. The moment that you choose your contrast level and you hit menu select to go to the next option, your contrast is set, okay? Think about it like that. So, just to recap really quickly, if I wanted to do it quickly, from here, in use / no line, this is like the main screen right here. From the main screen, I'm going to menu select. It brings me to date and time. Menu select again. It brings me to the contrast menu. I'm going to use the up or down arrows to choose my contrast. I'm going to set my contrast at a 4, which is the way I like it. And I'm going to menu select again, and it's now saved. The next option is language, home area code. We can do local area code. We can do all those. But once you have menu select in the contrast menu and you go to the next option, it's saved. So now I'm going to hit cancel to go back to the main screen, and that's it. We've saved our contrast. It is that easy to do, and it is literally that simple. That is how to set the contrast and how to sort of use the contrast menu with regards to this actual corded phone over here. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.